We're in a park, beautiful park actually, and the light is stunning.
It's glorious.
And we've got a decent background to work with, but you can see right here, we've got a trash can in the background.
Ew.
JJ, do you want trash in your picture, in your portrait? Not so much.
Ew, 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 ew.
Fair enough. And we could get a picture of JJ standing here, but let's mix it up. We've got a bench right over here. And so JJ, I'm gonna actually have you take a seat right there in the corner.
You might want to scooch over.
You can see the light that's actually shining through the trees right there, and that creates some really nice backlight on JJ's hat and hair, and that's really nice. I'm gonna go to portrait mode, kind of blur that background out. We'll focus on the subject a little bit better. And JJ, sit up just a little bit more for me. Beautiful. Turn your head just a little bit this direction. Lovely. Now you'll notice we've got some leaves right there on the bench. JJ, will you just kind of push those away?
Ew.
Get those distractions out.
Ew.
That's great. Much, much better. Looking this direction and just an easy smile. That's a great portrait.